Hello and greetings. This is the first video I've ever done, so I apologize if it's not so polished as some of the videos out there. I'm just using a basic camera to make this video, but I've been exploring the idea of coincidence. I call it meaningful coincidence or synchronicity. This being when things occur that are unrelated but somehow they're connected. So this could be seeing a certain animal over and over again in different situations, or seeing a set figure of numbers in different situations, on number plates, on credit cards, but it's the same numbers, or something that stands out and kind of always represents something that's about to happen, and then indeed that thing happens. So for example, a lot of people see crows and they are deemed as messengers of death, and then sure enough a death occurs to somebody who that person knows. I mean, this has been happening for thousands of years, and this is where these superstitions, I believe, come from, because an X amount of people experience the same thing with the same symbols. I'd call them symbols. So the crow is a symbolism of death. A cat can be a symbolism of children sometimes, pregnancy, for example. And this is the book I've been studying. This book is called Synchronicity, the causal connecting principle, the influence of archetypal ideas on the scientific theories of Kepler. Now this book was written by a leading psychologist called Jung. By all means, go and Google him. He's there, the same as Freud. He just had a different approach to things to Freud. And a quantum physicist called Pauli, who met when Mr. Jung, the psychologist, was counselling Pauli, who was in a bit of a bad situation mentally at that time. Anyway, these two got together and they tried to form a link, or find a link, between physics and psychology, which they both were convinced that there was some kind of link. And where they was looking for this link was through these kind of things that occur, meaningful coincidences, where certain things symbolize certain things that may happen in the future, or reoccurring things that just keep happening over and over again in different situations which cannot be explained because they're completely unrelated. Then they looked into dreams as well. So what people dream of kind of is reflected in their waking reality, and sometimes dreams are not literal, they have to be kind of understood. Just like I said, the crow represents death. Sometimes certain things in the dream represent and symbolize things that are happening in our waking life, which these two gentlemen explored. I think there is something there, because like I said, an X amount of people experience the same things after seeing the same symbols, or having the same dreams or similar dreams. This is my first video. Let me know if you're interested, and I'll send some more videos if people want to know more about this.